Hey friends, in this video we'll continue with regression analysis, and this data, that is here, x and output y, has been provided in the question. I'll read out the question. Develop a spreadsheet to conduct the following trend series analysis by utilizing the standard technique of least square regression. What will be the trend value of the output for the year 2011? And also find out coefficient of correlation between years and output. So what's new in this question is we have to find the coefficient of correlation and we have to forecast the value of x, that is for the year 2011 output. Okay, so we'll do this part of the question. That is the function for intercept is equals to intercept bracket open. We'll select the known y's, comma, known x's, bracket close, enter. For the slope we have the function is equals to slope, open brackets, known y's, comma, known x's, bracket closed, enter. And now we'll do this y is equals to a, we'll fix this value, plus b, we'll fix this also, into x, enter. We'll drag this value in the rest of the table. Okay, now what we have to do is forecast for 2011. The function for this is equals to forecast. Now see what we are required, x, that is we have to find the value for 2011, comma, known y's. We'll select the y wala table, comma, known x's. We'll select this too, bracket closed, enter. And also we can check this by just entering 2011 here. We'll get the same answer. And now for the coefficient of correlation, the function which is provided is equals to correl, open brackets, array 1, that is x, comma, array 2, that is y, bracket closed, and this. We'll also insert a chart of this, that is scatter chart. So scatter chart. Yeah, now I'll give this title. Regression analysis. And also we'll add access titles. This is output. And this is errors. Now the question is done. This was all asked in a question. This is the thing which we have to calculate in regression analysis. First, we have to calculate intercept, slope, and then some question we have asked to calculate to forecast the value and coefficient of correlation. Thank you.